Welcome to an exciting journey where the jungle meets the sea. In this fun-filled educational video, kids will meet the mighty kings of the jungle like lions, tigers, and giraffes. Seals are marine mammals belonging to the pinniped group, which also includes sea lions and walruses. Seals are found in coastal waters all over the world, from the cold Arctic and Antarctic regions to temperate and even some tropical zones. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique. Just like human fingerprints, zebra's stripes are not only beautiful but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands. A manta ray fish is actually a cartilaginous fish, just like sharks, meaning its skeleton is made of cartilage, not bone. Giant manta rays can reach up to 7 meters, 23 feet, across as wide as a bus. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Shark is a big fish that lives in the ocean and has been around for millions of years. Shark has sharp teeth and a strong sense of smell to help it find food. Shark is very important to the ocean. It helps keep other fish healthy by eating the weak or sick ones. Turtle is an ancient animal that has been around for over 200 million years, even before dinosaurs. Turtle moves slowly on land but can swim fast in water, especially sea turtles, which can reach speeds of 35 kilometers per h, 22 miles per hour. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Crabs belong to the group called crustaceans, related to lobsters, shrimp, and crayfish. Crabs have a tough outer shell, called an exoskeleton, that protects their body. They must molt, shed their shell, to grow. Crabs have 10 legs. Hippopotamuses are one of the largest land animals. Only elephants and rhinos are bigger. Even though they live in water, hippos can't actually swim. They walk or bounce along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool under the hot sun. Their skin can get sunburned, so water helps protect them. Hippos have huge mouths. Bears are big and strong mammals that live in forests, mountains, and snowy places around the world. There are 8 different types of bears, including the grizzly bear, polar bear, black bear, and panda bear. Most bears love to eat both plants and meat, which makes them omnivores. Their diet can include berries, fish, insects, and honey. Duck is a water-loving bird that lives near ponds, lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Ducklings, baby ducks, are yellow and fluffy when they hatch and love to swim right away. Ducks like to dabble in the water, which means they dip their heads underwater to find food. Horse is a big, strong animal that has been a friend to humans for thousands of years. Horse has big eyes on the sides of its head, so it can see almost all the way around its body. Horse is a great helper. It has been used for riding, farming, sports, and even therapy for people. Tiger has orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Each one is unique like a fingerprint. Tiger is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. It hunts animals like deer, wild boar, and even buffalo. Starfish are not actually fish, they're echinoderms, related to sea urchins and sand dollars. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have up to 40 arms. They eat clams, oysters, mussels, and other small marine animals. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk, meat, and even helping in fields. Tropical fish are colorful fish that live in warm water like oceans, rivers, and tropical aquariums. They come in many bright colors like yellow, blue, orange, red, and even rainbow patterns. There are thousands of kinds of tropical fish, and each one is special in its own way. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Most bulls have horns, though this depends on the breed. Some are naturally polled, hornless. Thanks for exploring the wild and the sea with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun learning adventures. See you next time on Toy Zoo Adventures, where learning is always fun.